Hey everybody, welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cat and a pumpkin. Let's start with a curved line for the jack-o'-lantern. And leave a little space at the top for the opening. Remember, you can always pause or slow down the video if I'm going too fast. Next, I'll make another curve and adjust this line up at the top. And the next step is adding two slanted lines for our cat's neck, like this. Now draw two more lines for both sides of the cat's head. I'll just fix this right here. And now we'll draw those pointed ears. And connect them right here. And these little adjustments I'm making won't show later because the cat will be mostly black. Now draw two lines that look like closed eyes. Then add these rainbow-shaped lines. Now I'll draw a little upside-down triangle for the nose. And this little W shape for the mouth. Now make two pupils that we'll color in later. And draw these two little paws that hang over the edge of the pumpkin. Don't worry about crossing that line because these paws will be colored in black. Next, draw his wavy little cat tail. Then add three little whiskers to each cheek. The triangles inside the ears are the next step. Then draw two light reflection circles inside each eye. And now for the jack-o'-lantern face. Watch as I draw two crescent-shaped eyes underneath each paw. This shape makes it look as if the pumpkin is looking up at the cat. Now add a triangle nose and a smiling mouth. We're almost done with the drawing part, and our jack-o'-lantern and cat are starting to look like best friends. So let's finish up with a few lines and some ground for them to stand on. Here's our cat and jack-o'-lantern all finished. I chose pink for the insides of the ears, and bright yellow eyes that look great with black and match with the jack-o'-lantern colors. I also added some shadow and purple underneath. I hope you enjoyed making Halloween art with me. And if you like this video, please consider hitting like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.